Hey there, and welcome to this new video. So today we'll be identifying the use of vector together with GetSales. And basically, vector is famous for website visitor identification. So how does it work? Basically, it gives you a code snippet that you can put on your website, and it will essentially help you track companies or people that just visit your website. And it's all fully automatable. So they have a free plan, which works perfectly, but of course their custom plans have more functionalities. And basically the login looks like this. And if we wanted to set it up, we would essentially, in the first place, it's just loading, we would need to paste the snippet onto our website. Usually you could do that through the HTML bodies. It guides you properly on how to do that, but you can essentially paste this. You could also do this through Google Tag Manager. Then I would create a segment. So currently here, what I have set up is in the segment section. Segments are basically automations within Vector. So what I have here in the playbook section is basically an automation that makes sure that every time I have a website visitor, I add it to Clay. And to add it to Clay, you basically need to paste a webhook. So as you saw in our previous videos, Clay, if we were to create here, let's just go on the plus or just add webhook. You just copy this, and simple as that, we can, let me just go here on set integrations. This is where we have to go on the bottom left. And then you can also connect Slack. You can connect any generic webhook, or you can connect Clay. Currently, I don't see Clay anymore, but the workaround is just best to do it by webhook. So currently here we have the Clay endpoint. Here you just add endpoint and then you just paste it. If you leave everything untouched, it will just create it as it is, and then you press create. What that means is basically every single lead that visits your website that is identifiable, because it won't get 100% of the people, but it'll get part of them. It will put them as a new row in Clay, and then the process is pretty much the same as what we did for Trigify. So then once we get the new lead, we can run any kind of filtering, any kind of things we need to filter for our ICP, make some custom messaging, make anything, and then we push them by API to GetSales, and then we get it. And this is another great automation to add into the mix, just for you to basically have an auto-populating campaign, so that as soon as somebody manifests intent, you directly have it ready. Basically, like the lead, you have it ready to send out, to make it go through your multi-channel flow or through your flow in general. Just maximize your chances of landing that deal.